Android Studio 4 has a new motion editor tool that lets you prototype simple animations. To demonstrate this, I'm going to create a brand new project that I'll base on the empty activity template, and I'll name it Motion Demo. The motion editor tool is designed to work with a component called MotionLayout, which is part of the Constraint Layout API. And in order to use it in Android Studio 4, you must have upgraded to Constraint Layout 2.0 or later. I'll go to my build.gradle file for the app module and scroll down to the dependencies. And if necessary, I'll do the upgrade. I'll click into the Constraint Layout dependency and use an intention action and change to whatever is the most recent version. I'll resync Gradle, and I'll also hide any other notifications that might have popped up. Next, I'll go to Activity Main and see that my root element is a constraint layout. I'll right-click on it, and now, because I've upgraded my Constraint Layout API, I see that I can convert my constraint layout to motion layout. And I'll do that. You'll now see a change to the user interface. Instead of seeing just the design view, you'll now see this motion layout UI. You'll have two states labeled Start and End. And then if you look in your Resources directory under XML, you'll see a file has been created called Activity Main Scene. And it has definitions of transitions and constraint sets. Those two states that you saw in the user interface are the constraint sets with IDs of start and end. So now that I've converted my constraint layout to the motion layout, I'm ready to start adding an animation. And I'll do that in the next video.